Hello, my babies. Hello, my darlings. Today I'm going to be working with a moldable plastic, and here's my sketch of my alien guy. Does anyone know his name? I mean, he's just like the hello, baby, hello, my darling alien guy. So I'm going to use the sketch. What? Sorry, yeah, I couldn't hear you. Yeah. Using the sketch as a form. Now you get your product. They look like little ice creams, you know, those little Dippin' Dots before you put them in the microwave. And so I used about 3/4 of a cup of the product, filled up the bowl halfway with water, popped it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. It'll be really hot when you get it out of the microwave, so just give it a few seconds to cool down to the point that you can touch it and it's not burning your fingers off. Don't burn yourself. Don't say it didn't warn you. I don't want you to get hurt. Unless if you're mean. Maybe. So I'm just doing bit by bit and filling in my drawing of alien guy girl person. And we're just stacking and filling. You might have to rewarm your product. Sometimes it could, if you're taking too long, turn not so translucent. And as soon as it's not translucent, then it's no longer pliable and sticky. It's not really that it's sticky, it's just it'll adhere to itself as long as it's translucent. But once it starts turning like this opaque white color, it won't stick. So I have all my little bits, and they're not going to connect unless if you use a torchy. You do not want to hit it with a direct flame. I know it looks like I'm hitting it with a direct flame, but I'm not. I'm about maybe 1.5 inches away, and it'll slowly melt down the plastic so you could piece it together and squish it all. Initially, I wanted the pieces to be articulated, the legs and the limbs and the arms and the blah blahs, but I couldn't find the screws, so we're just going to attach them like so. He looks like he's skanking. Anyway, he still looks like him or her. So there we go. There's this portion, and I will be showing you how to attach some glowy eyeballs. There he is. Hello, 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 my babies. You know, use a Schwartz or something. All right, you can do it. You can do it. You just basically trace your paper. And like I said, if you mess up, just pop it back in the microwave. Start over. Use a Schwartz or something. So, yeah. All right, back in between. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Hello, my Tootsie. Hello, my kitty. Hello, my little feline. Cat or cat. She's had it up to here with my antics. So we're gonna put a stick up his butt.
I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. Leave me alone. Yet, I find you strangely attractive.
Sorry, little buddy. And that's how we're gonna mount him onto a little piece of wood. We're gonna use some hot glue guns to fasten the lighting fixtures, and you can even use a little bit of that extra moldable plastic. And there we have our little creature. Isn't he adorable? Don't y'all want one of these in your house? I bet you don't. I bet you do. And you could always just make a hat if you want, or I recommend getting a toy or something from the thrift store. That's probably what I'm gonna do.